Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility and plan. This saves troubleshooting later. Once done, open Settings and enable 5G or choose 5G preferred for roaming flexibility. Make the first connection near a window because initial registration requires a stable signal. Avoid basements and heavy concrete. If your device asks, accept carrier provisioning and allow a short reboot. This completes network attach. You should see a 5G indicator within 2 minutes, confirming radio registration and IP allocation. Then proceed to test throughput. Now you optimize the mid-stage. Ensure the APN matches your carrier settings because incorrect APN prevents data despite a 5G icon. Once updated, reboot to force a fresh session. Next, choose network architecture. Lock to non-standalone or standalone 5G when required. This can change latency and handover behavior. Run a speed test and record RSRP and SNR values. These metrics tell you whether to move, adjust antenna, or change bands. Make incremental changes and retest to isolate improvements. Finish by confirming stability. Run a sustained test for 10 to 15 minutes. Watch ping and jitter as well as Mbps because short bursts can mislead. If you see drops, toggle airplane mode to force reattach and then rerun tests. If problems continue, swap SIM into a known good device to isolate hardware versus provisioning. One key troubleshooting tip: note cell ID, RSRP, and firmware versions before you call support. This saves time and helps the carrier resolve provisioning or tower-side issues faster.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.